Hi, as an entrepreneur, I understand you might be going through some sales problems like inconsistent sales, low sales, or even no sale. You probably would have spent a lot on junk courses or paid ads. Maybe you made some sales and that was it. Now, listen to me. My name is Peter Chijioke Eke. I'm a business mentor or coach. I help entrepreneurs adopt the right strategies to run a profitable and a sustainable business online and offline. Over the years, I've mentored lots of businesses and they have had great results, especially in sales and marketing. So, generating consistent sales is foundational. Means if your business is not structured to do so, you will struggle to make sales. And I see a lot of business owners believe they can only generate sales or make sales when they run ads, which is totally not correct. Running ads can only provide you visibility to those who might be interested in your products and services, and this is when you have the right targeting. You have a compelling ad copy, you have a sales page, and you have an irresistible offer. Still, this does not guarantee consistent sales because you cannot keep running ads continuously or most likely forever. There's a proven way to generating consistent sales without spending a fortune on paid ads or junk courses, and this is in 3 steps, which is restructure, position, and generate. This 3-step strategy works like magic. So, I'm introducing to you my sales course titled The Ultimate Sales Revelation, where I revealed all the secrets to generating consistent sales. In that course, or in the course, I'll be teaching you how to restructure your business, position it to generate continuous or consistent sales. So, click on the link below to learn more and get access now.